Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things tech. Today we're tackling a topic that might seem a bit counterintuitive for a YouTube channel: how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So let's get started without further ado. Go to your browser and open YouTube. First things first, make sure you're confirmed that you want to delete the account and make sure the account you're deleting is the account that you wish to delete for. After doing so, go to the YouTube Studio, which you can find it under the sign out section. Simply click on it. Now your channel will be opened. Now click on settings, then click on the channel. Now go to advanced settings. After doing so, scroll down until you find remove YouTube content. Click on it. Now you will be prompted to enter your password to continue verify that it's you. After writing your password, simply click on next. Now you can choose between whether you want to hide your channel or permanently delete your content. So we're gonna permanently delete our content. Be sure to read all the terms and conditions before you delete your channel. Now click on tick on both of the options and click on delete my content. Now verify your email address. After writing your email address, simply click on delete my content. And that's it. Your YouTube channel, along with all its content, will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible. Once you delete your channel, there is no going back. So make sure this is really what you want before you proceed. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with friends who might need this, and subscribe for more tutorials.